Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X6 xDrive40i in Black Sapphire Metallic. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW X6 xDrive40i in Black Sapphire Metallic. I just hit unlock, I've got the key in my hand. So we've got the headlights on and the kidney grille is lit up, but it's kind of bright here so it's hard to see. But since we're at the front here, if I go ahead and press and hold panic for 1 second, we can get the full pathway lighting on. X6, X5 does the full pathway lighting on unlock anyways. So before we begin, I'm going to do a lap all the way around. X6 is definitely a boss vehicle, you can tell. And this one is actually being picked up by a friend, which is also very nice. So why don't we go ahead and take a closer look at all the details. So we've got the classic Black Sapphire Metallic. The X6 has 4 lines coming down lengthwise on the hood here. We've got the BMW Rondell up front and center. We have the one-piece matte black kidney grille. And when I hit unlock, it does illuminate. So the X6 grille illuminates all the way around, whereas the X5 is just at the top and has a cascading effect. And we've got the vertical slats here on the kidney grille, and it is an active grille, so these slats will open if it needs if it needs air, and it stays closed when it's needing the aerodynamics. We have the front camera here, we have the radar down here, and as you can see, there's some functional air, and there's active shutters at the bottom that are here for the intercoolers and oil coolers and such. Now when we take a closer look at the headlights, you'll see that we have the shadow line BMW LED headlights here. So those look great. I really like the look of those. And when we come around to the side, you'll see that we have the 22-inch double spoke 742M wheels in jet black with the blue M Sport brake back there, so that looks sweet. And the X6 has this little cutout pattern on the fender, and it creates a line that goes back and then up into the rear door. And the X6 has the welcome light carpet. It's not easy to see from this side because of the brightness. We also have body colored side mirrors with the integrated turn signal and the camera on the side. We have the previous style door handles with touch comfort access just on the front. And there is the side silhouette, pure sports activity coupe design. BMW is the one that invented this. Big red ball on the top, congrats Nikhil. We've got the sunroof up top, new style antenna, and we've got a little bit of a deck lid spoiler, and then there's a trunk lid spoiler here. And at the back of the car, we've got the inverted L-shaped taillights, big X6 badging on this side, xDrive40i badging on this side. Down here, you've got the plate spot for your rear plate, camera. We've got the freeform exhaust with the rear diffuser at the back here. So since we're back here, I'm just gonna kick my foot underneath the middle of the car. So that will open up, and inside we have a cargo cover that says X6 on it. You can fold this up and the whole thing can be removed if you want it to come out. And once it comes out, there's a space for it to be stored in this section here where it's cut out. However, Nikhil got the optional spare tire. So you have a spare tire with a jack and tool kit, so it actually won't fit in here with the spare tire here. We have a tow hook and a wheel lock key. We have a 12-volt plug here. There's a fuse panel behind that panel. Grocery bag hanger here. And back here, there is a storage space as well. And once we're done with all this, you can close this to hide your contents. There's a button up top to close, another one to close and lock. But the kick is also available for close. Hands-free is always good. Sweet. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the fuel cap door. It's connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise 1 click. There's a little spot here to put this. And when you're done, it's just clockwise 1 click. And you've got a little bit of a better view of the welcome light carpet on this side. Let's open up that rear door here. So once we open it up, inside you'll see that we have the manual sunshades, so that can be undone by your hand. And we've got some window controls and door handle. We've also got some ambient lighting, and we've got some wood trim in here We have the aluminum illuminating M door sill. These are the black Sensafin seats. The seats can be folded down on the shoulder in a 60-40 split. There's also an armrest in the center with some cup holders, and there's a storage space. And once this is down, you can find a string to pull down the center pass-through. And there's a little stirrup here to tie up your seatbelts. If you fold down the seats, you can tie up your seatbelts so it's not getting tangled in things. And of course, we've got the black headliner. Lights up here, pockets on the back of the front seats. We have some heated seat buttons here for your rear passengers, some vents, some storage space. And there's a 12-volt plug at the bottom. And we've got some vents under here with some illumination. So let's shut this door, and we'll open the front passenger door next. So once this is opened up, you'll see that we have the Harman Kardon sound system in here. We also have some nice stitching across the door panel. And we've got some ambient light in here, wood trim, speaker, big deep door pockets, aluminum illuminating M door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. And here's the wood grain going across the dash. We've got some nice leather stitching, X6 interaction light. The vents can be closed or opened and directed where it's blowing. Glove box down here, which is illuminated. We have iDrive 8.5 on the curved display. We have the vents here as well. If I open that up, there's a wireless charger. There's a USB Type A, cup holders that are heated and cooled, 12-volt plug. There's your gear selector and your iDrive controller. We have the split armrest with the drift knee pad here. So you open that up. There is a USB Type-C in there. It's also illuminated. The armrests also heat with the heated seats. And now that we've looked at that, let's shut this door and open the other door on the other side. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, open this up. So we have tailgate open, tailgate closed. So you have to press and hold that with the key inside to close the tailgate. Memory buttons, unlock, lock. Windows were just tinted, so there's all the window controls here. 3 to 5 days, no opening. Side mirror controls. Big storage, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster once again. There's your M Sport steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock. And we've got the head-up display in here as well. And let's just take a quick peek. So parking-wise, we do have the 360 cam. We've got automatic parking, so back park, front park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot. And if we quickly just head on over to driving settings, so we can just take a quick peek here. So we do have the full assisted driving plus, so you can drive this car in cruise control with no hands on the steering wheel. It'll change lanes for you if you signal, and it'll mitigate the speed, the distance to the car in front of you, and it'll steer for you. So that is sweet. And up top, let me just open this up. So there's the sunroof open. We've got the visor with the light turning on when you open it up. So this is all really cool. And let's go ahead now and look over here. So down here is your hood release, 1, 2. So when we get to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin-power turbo. This time we have 375 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. We've got 4 strut braces around for rigidity, positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluid. Don't put anything in there but regular washer fluid. What a beast. BMWs also have 2 latches under the hood, so you want to make sure that you bring the hood roughly about halfway down, and then you want to just send her. Beauty. Okay, so before we conclude the video, we're going to do one more lap all the way around. I've opened the door just so we can get some of these shots because it's a bit of a tight space today. That's okay. Car looks sick. I love the black on black. And with black wheels too, of course. The 742s, I love them. So, what do you think of this spec? It's classic. You can't really go wrong. So let me know in the comments below how you like it. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X6 xDrive40i in Black Sapphire Metallic with the black Sensafin interior with the black 742M wheels. How do you like it? If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's at Alan BMW Durham. Nikhil, Sam, congratulations. This car is amazing. You've really leveled up. So proud of you guys. Yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.